Yeah.
What's the dollar?
Wait there.
Me I go fit right now.
Babe, if you ever make me eat
I
that.
have to swallow it.
What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razor Blade, and today I'm back with a new video. Today I'm there with my lovely
Fiancé. Girlfriend.
anything she want call it. And today it's sort of like a challenge. It's sort of like I mean, I discover the name but when it come it come. But we did a video like this last year. Last year or the year before? Last year. But guess what? We're gonna do this video again and we're gonna do it differently. In this variety of snacks, you have somewhere we really never know about until lately, and some flavors we know say we never know about. And the next thing, for example, Iandra always call them a swizzle, and if you look good, it's not a swizzle. You see Delight on the box and it have its own name and everything. It's not a swizzle. You know, say not mark swizzle.
Once it's in the box.
Exactly. Enough people actually think that once it's in the box a swizzle, and that wrong. So that's why we say we're gonna try it. Moreover, I have one of my favorite juices of all time. This was my first favorite juice in my life. First time Subagent to me did thicker. You know, some thicker again. I don't know why I feel so, but probably the nostalgic feeling. But today we're gonna try some of them snacks there. Did you know say you have a Subagent in a strawberry flavor?
My first time I know this. Well, not my first. When I discovered like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I never did know that Subagent have strawberry flavor.
They never know that Subagent have strawberry flavor.
I know they have the green tin.
You know some don't know the green tin?
I think the green tin.
Many people are talking about the green tin, but I don't know the green tin. So if you know the green tin, comment below.
The green tin in supermarket. I don't remember what the flavor. But I think it's Irish mash. I don't know.
Irish mash in a Subagent? I don't know the green tin.
Beetroot.
What? Get out of here, man. Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, lie.
Beetroot, that's Subagent?
No, I know that. But no, you have the red tin.
Yep.
I'm not sure what's the red tin.
I don't know the red tin neither.
Wait, they have red tin?
This a pink. This a strawberry. I don't know.
Alright, I know about the peanut. I know about the vanilla.
I know this one like from about a couple months ago. I know the vanilla one like all I would like.
Yeah,
like
all
this
I
we
would
used to. But me never know something about strawberry
I
flavor.
didn't know that. And you know the best thing? It's good.
You don't say good. You try it? You ever seen people put on my snacks and start drink them? Yo! You know what? I'm gonna take a sip on my juice then.
Can you get some?
But you know it tastes already, you kill the whole purpose of the video. You know matter, you know it tastes. But I'm gonna make you get some though.
So cute.
So this is my first time trying
Because when
Subagent in a
I
strawberry.
did shop to me, I said, that the flavor there, and I did just try it.
I don't know what to expect. You know what this reminds me of? Strawberry, let's go. Let's go on Subagent. I see everything. Eh?
You know, Subagent.
But I think you never got taste so hungry, but alright. No, I'm just gonna make you drink it up. You know? To me, Subagent kind of milky. And it tastes more mellow. So I never see strawberry adding a flavor in it, but it tastes good. Snackables are one of my favorite snacks from high school. I only eat snackables but I never read a flavor. So this is a cheddar cheese or flavored cheese, and this is a sour cream. This is the original bag this? Or the original bag look?
The
Let's find one.
original bag is orange and purple, I think. The one that I know. No, wait. They have an original flavor, and the original flavor is the blue bag. But me always say the original one of the cheese, which is wrong.
So yeah, that's the original one of this one?
No. Original not have no panning, nothing, just the plain biscuit.
Well, original I'm the writing.
No, it don't have any seasoning or whatever you call it on it. It's just plain. Just like when you have Pringles and you have the plain Pringles.
So no, me I have to say if you know if the original one have one like a flavor writing or something.
Don't have any flavor. Oh, flavor.
You don't have the writing. With the flavor,
It's
yeah?
just the original, babe.
Oh.
It's in a blue bag.
Yo, that's why you have to read the
So
label.
you have cheddar cheese, sour cream, cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese, but that's a cheddar cheese. The next one, just cheesy cheese, I don't know. And the barbecue.
Enough of them, you know, man.
Because I always, well, I didn't know they had this one.
Me not, yo,
I
me
never
not
know
read
about
them.
cheddar cheese. And me recently know about barbecue. But this sour cream and onion with the one in the orange bag and purple, that's how everybody know.
Oh, so everybody know this?
No, everybody don't know this, but everybody know the one with the orange bag.
With the
cheese.
Oh, orange and purple.
Yeah,
Is that the original? Yeah, me know.
No, baby, I keep on a mix up. That's why I say everybody think it's the original, but when you say original, it sounds like you talk about the other type of biscuit that they have an original, like no flavor. No flavor is on it. Me like the original, you just don't want to look at biscuit where you can't eat where no have no seasoning or nothing on it. So me like sour cream, the original flavor that is in the blue bag, and
oh, so you
the
like
cheese.
this flavor?
Yeah, I love this because I love sour cream.
So you eat none of this is because
No.
So like first time I eat this.
I'm not sure if it's my first time, but recently me not eat none of that.
Alright, cheddar flavor cheese. I could try this one because I know you.
Yeah, I could try that because I don't remember.
Yo,
if
that's
I
a
could
bad
try
thing,
it.
you know, if you read my labels because God knows.
I don't know, like when I say snackables, I don't normally spend the time to read it. I always just take up the flavor them of me love, which is the original.
We just dip.
Oh, I always take up the original and the one in the purple and orange. Remember?
Hold on. That means that the one with original, no, the one with barbecue and the one with one orange. You know the
barbecue. I don't know what color barbecue. I'm probably reddish.
But you know the reddish one with left all this something on your finger really sweet.
That's like cheese, babe.
Oh, that's like cheese. Alright, so this is cheddar cheese. Taste it first.
You taste it first.
Taste it first.
Babe, you taste it first. I'm gonna taste this one.
But you taste your favorite. A snack head, you know.
What I normally do is I suck it off first. I cook up all the flavor. Because the seasoning tastes good for it. So the original would be like, so I take off all of the seasoning off it and leave the plain biscuit. This is the original.
Alright. So guess what?
I love this one.
You love it? Guess what? Put them back in the bag.
Why?
No, put it back in the bag. Since you love it, I have a challenge for you. Because you never know why they were there. You love snackables, the cheesy one, no, the sour cream one. Try it with some peanut butter. Why? Try it with some peanut butter. How you feel so?
Oh, that's good.
Try it with some peanut butter.
Babe, why?
Because we do the video. Have fun. Try no? And see if you make a good. Yeah, that could have been the new flavor, you know.
Let me give you a taste.
You because you love that one there.
It's nasty.
You will love it snacks, so I thought was it nasty.
You eat it.
Alright, maybe take it from you, because you're going like you're a baby. What do you see, babe? This could have been the new flavor, you know? Snack butter. Snack peanut butter. Snackable peanut butter. Can't eat it, you know. Because food. Hot man. Alright. You want my drink to wash it down? Sure.
I'm not what I eat.
Maybe I do the video after eat it. No, I never know if I saw the strawberries over there, man.
This one wants so much that. The
You want
plain
some,
one?
give you some spicy?
No. The plain one alright because I just want biscuit or you eat. The
Try
plain
it with mayonnaise, babe.
No, I don't want to.
I me try with mayonnaise.
Yeah.
In front of the video.
Use this with mayonnaise. Come.
That can't hold by the biscuit?
Yes. Come over your sandwich.
If this a drop out in, I'm gonna put it on you, I don't know what I tell us, you know.
Babe, why you squeeze it off?
Babe, it have a lock, so me eat it.
Alright, do whatever.
John, what you want?
I know that supposed to taste nice. Got mayonnaise and cheese. Nice.
You know, tree bad, but you know, some mayonnaise have that feeling, it'll make you feel like you have too much. Butter cakes, cookies.
Alright, give me them. Since I love them so much,
Try them.
get a blindfold.
A simple thing that might.
From I just start out to Jason, in love, especially on my blindfold, in my shirt, so I see if him know it.
You know, I probably don't know the flavor of them.
Come, and your favorite.
No, but I probably don't know the
Turn
flavor of
around. Oh, peeking, boy. And you know what I always want to know? I always want to know if the flavor them taste different.
That means
I know they're different. They're in different color bags, but I want to know if them taste different.
And the blue one a coconut.
No, stop. Yes.
The blue one have the coconut.
So the blue one is coconut cookies, right? The yellow one is butter cookies, and the red one is festival cookies, almond flavor. Alright, this one is Jason's favorite.
Which one that half the yellow one?
Alright, so I'm gonna start you out now.
Yellow one is my favorite.
Yeah, ready. Which one you eat? Take your time.
Alright, give me a bite of the next two.
No!
Babe, give me a bite of the next two, I can't see nothing.
Babe, you have to tell me where you eat.
I want to taste like the almond then.
The almond? Alright.
Just give me a bite of the next two, me judge them. And give me my mate it.
Yo, that one here smell good. That one here smell.
Three different types, give me.
Yeah. This smell good. Make a taste this.
That one here, red one. Hold on. In case I'm mix out.
Tell us if you do it like one, I tell you.
Where's up, Jen? I need to rinse no more. Voila. Give me again.
This time you gotta tell me what I eat.
Just hold on, just give me.
Here.
Mouth mash up.
Because you should taste them like that. Alright, which one you eat?
The blue bag, the coconut.
Wrong.
No, the yellow bag.
Wrong.
Alright. That's on the blue bag.
Hold this. Which one you eat now?
This are the yellow bag.
Correct.
This are the
Your
yellow
favorite
bag.
one.
This are the yellow bag.
To me, the best one is the yellow
no,
bag.
no, let me tell you one.
Best one. Which one you eat now? To me, it's like they have different colors to me. Because this is darker, probably my mind. But this is very light. I could new color. I had the same color then.
What? It is so coconutty.
Yes, correct.
You love that drink them.
But they're different flavors.
4 different flavors.
Alright. Cause them here, my favorite. Wait there, when we did I go basic school or primary school, me used to drink them here a lot and it made me smell like lunch kit. The booze here. You know your lunch kit have this snack smell.
I know where that about still, but come on.
And I know my favorite one too.
That's skin of the teeth.
It's hot. Wait, give me back.
Hey, this hot?
Alright. This have cherry inside of it. The cherry flavor one.
Wrong.
Wait, no, give me back.
Wow.
Orange inside of this one. Orange.
Oh, what?
And I only can pick up one taste.
Oh, orange pineapple.
Yeah, orange. Sorry, not the cherry. Orange. I have that tangy taste there.
Tangy taste, eh? Come.
Wait.
See, come out to the eat.
This have guava. Guava. The guava one. Guava and some other stuff, but I can only pick up one.
Yeah, that what you just drank is pineapple cherry.
Pineapple cherry.
No, take off it. Wait, take off some of your
Oh
food to go.
my god.
Pineapple cherry, your favorite?
Oh no.
So you say one of them have orange. The one which had the orange was orange pineapple. But this one now, come, take a sip.
Whoa. This is my favorite one.
What that?
Guava.
And what? Guava and what? Come!
I don't know, but it's
Guava pineapple.
babe, I can only pick up one taste.
Alright, your mouth lingual. Alright, take off that.
I don't know how me get them wrong, probably because them hot.
Are you willing to mix them and drink them?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
My favorite one is the one with the guava. Ooh, the color. That's the color.
So sometimes it's true where you drink, you know, a cup and look on the color.
And put some ice in there.
Alright, that's so this
I mean, I don't think when you put your ice in your juice, it tastes better.
Yo, that smells good though.
It smells really good. The guava this.
These are the orange pineapple.
The orange one have a tangy taste to me.
Supposed to make a boom.
Yeah, mix up me, you know?
You know, if you drink nothing, mix up. This is the pineapple cherry, no?
Pineapple cherry is a good one.
Pineapple cherry, I think, are the
Which
most.
one are the favorite flavor?
Exactly, comment below.
Oh, this one have a...
Pineapple cherry, I think, are my favorite flavor out of all of this.
And the guava mine.
This kind of look like carrot now. Wait,
Let me
we're not
taste it.
finished.
What
There's
else
one
we
more
have?
to go. The tropical fruit punch.
Oh, wait.
For everybody, we send a video clip to it. I try them snacks I have a feature on it on my vlog. For anybody who take a video clip on themselves, I drink any of this, I have a feature on it on the vlog. So that means that because they say we are drink it or eat it, you partake it and you took part. We need to shout out somebody. And send you an Instagram too. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let it rip. You know, mix them together and make one juice.
It is nice. It tastes like it tastes more like the tropical fruit
It's like a
punch.
whole tropical mix.
Yeah, it tastes like this. I wonder if they mix all of those flavors to get this.
To the tropical.
But in all honesty, it's all of the flavors.
Right, kid. We should have put in the car like in a tropical fruit punch. So if you want the one that tastes like every fruit.
Wait, let me see one flavor that did it.
What about that?
No, this is a taste. The tropical flavor of every flavor except what flavor. Comment below. Anybody get it right? I have something special.
I'll give you something.
Yeah.
Alright.
Babe, you think about it as well. Don't call out it. Yes!
Oh.
So guys, the tropical flavor of every flavor except what flavor? Comment below.
Alright. We have two more flavors. I love the chocolate flavor, but them have a flavor where not a lot of people think know about this flavor
This?
in butter kiss.
This are the best.
Cookie and cream?
This are the best. If you don't love this, comment below. Cause to me, these are my favorite. It has this taste. It
Like
no.
cookie and cream.
No, it tastes like cookie and cream a bit, but it tastes like other flavors together. It's like it's a biscuit where that's full of flavors. This is my least favorite, the vanilla. Me feel well hungry for it.
Yeah, me feel well hungry for the vanilla one.
Well hungry. This is a biscuit when me eat like if me just eat
But tell you what you something with me. Yes, when me could get the chocolate, me get the strawberry. And me could get none, me think about the vanilla. But the cookie, how long know the cookie and cream come in?
I don't sure because me start eat this from like last
that's
year.
a giveaway for me then.
Me
Anybody comment below when cookie and cream come in and make you get something.
Because me start eat this last year, but last year late. So me don't know when it come in. But me know some me used to murder shop with this.
True, are you when you start eating with you know?
This nice. So since Jesse love them here, me go blindfold them.
For them eh?
Yeah, you tell me how you eat.
That's simple man.
Alright, it's simple for sure. But what I normally do is this our nice combination as well.
So veggie and butter kiss?
Yeah, this is our nice combination.
Comment below some food combination you can use with suffragan or with...
Yeah, would I recommend though not to eat these together a lot.
Sweet?
Two of them sweet. You love this?
Peanut suffragan?
Yep.
It's nice.
Me love it bad. Me rather this instead of peanut
No,
punch.
you want to drink now?
No sir,
So
we're
you
not gonna
pull
pull
it.
it.
Oh.
But me rather this for drink instead of peanut punch. If you wake up and not feel for nothing to eat, them here help me like when I have flu.
Yeah, that carry me
like
load with
sore
you.
throat and them here it full of belly. Like when I have a sore throat,
you know
I
what?
just drink this and it just give me that full feeling there. The vanilla flavor to me though, full belly more than any other suffragan. So me don't know if I'm in mind I tell me, but this just have a full belly taste to it. You drink it and you don't want nothing. To me. Vanilla.
You know what's the pretty load when I go on the road and I need carry this I do. I'm not like, I never eat nothing for the whole day, I need to feel good.
This, let me tell you one other weird combination. Thank me later. This and bread.
Alright, so we reach at the end of the video. Hope you leave your comments below if we do a next food combination and come with the foods that we can actually use. Or comment some uses of them that we can. I feel like we can use all the whole like suffragan flavor them and turn in our smoothie. What do you think? Are you at the chef? You know, I don't know, you know, me just there for the video.
Good idea. I need to collect the bullet.
So alright, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the
Babe,
next video.
You love me? I challenge you.
So what?
You have to eat this. So this, I want him give me peanut butter with biscuit. So this are the peanut butter mixed with mayonnaise.
I love you.
Yeah.
Well, I will never love you all. Yeah. Wait there.
Me go fit right now.
Wait.
Right now.
And if we get that toast lad, you know. No, if we get that toast lad, where you go?
Me go fit also.
Yo, if you give me that toast lad, the baby can't touch back. May I tell her that. Where toast lad is? Babe, where that toast lad from?
I'm my one.
Alright. Babe, any. Let me see that money.
Mayo.
If you so. Babe, if you ever make me eat
I have
that,
to swallow it.
fam,
So
don't
that's
blame me.
mayo, peanut butter with peanut in it.
Woo!
Me not say they love it, give
I
me
don't love none, but that's what I think I just made my mind. I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo! Get that $1,000 for your girl, boy.